Good day, Divergence traders. It's that time again to do the show and show you all the little traps and the fake outs and the beautiful divergence that helps us each and every day. Yes. Did I tell you I'm not a financial advisor? I think I did. Well, I will today just to make sure I tell you. Very risky trade in these markets, whether it's crypto, Forex, futures, you name it, it is risky. But if you're on the right side, hey, you're doing good. Okay, so we're looking at the NASDAQ right now, and we're on the 1 minute. Look up top, 1 minute time frame, okay? So let's check it out. So here is the opening right here, this pin bar with the long wick. Yeah, 1630. So they tricked people to buy it up, right? And then what did they do after they got people tricked? They took it down. Did they take it down these levels? Below these levels? Yes, they did. And why were they doing that? Because they're going after your stops. That's what they're doing. There was no divergence here that I can see. Like, we're on the 1 minute. I ain't going to go lower than the 1 minute. But I do want to show you a couple of traps for today. Okay? You can see they took it down, right? And then they took it up, and it went inside sideways. And yes, they trapped in all the longs. All the longs thought they were going to take it up, but they didn't. And they quickly, in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 minutes right here, they took it down, and they got your stops right there. Right in here, right there. They dug up your gold and took it. And then they did it again, right here. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Buy, 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 buy. Keep buying. Buy, buy now. Yeah. And guess what happened to those buyers? And down it went. And they took out all their stops in here. If they went and put it through this level or that level, you know, they got you. They got you. They're doing another one right here. Look, look, look. The third one of today, the third freaking trap. Where do I get that from? Right here. You see that? That's a trap. That's a trap. Where it can still push lower. That's what I'd think. But you know, it is very, as you know, it's very crazy how the price moves and does these traps. They do them in all markets, you know. But what's really crazy is how quickly the price is moving up and down. It's always moving. See, look at it. Look at it. It's always moving. Ding, 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 ding. Trying. Say you had some profit there. Will they let you take it? No, it'll probably fly back up and you won't and it'll be gone. That's what I hate about this market. This NASDAQ and S&P. S&P's slower, but NASDAQ it's a wild cat, man. Wild spaz cat. And that's why I don't trade it anymore. Yeah, I don't trade it anymore. I'm retired from the spazdick. Well, let's go to the 5 minutes because, like, is there any trades on it? Do I see any? No, I don't. On the 1 minute, I don't. So what's on the 5? Right? Do we have a trade on the 5? No. It's all red all the way down. There's no. There's nothing here to sell. Well, hold on. Let me take out the boxes. Okay, we do have some of my trades. Yeah. Where we got a higher close right here. and you sell it on the opening of the next candle right here, and down it goes. Didn't go very far though, and then there was another one, which was, where's that? That's that next one. It's not here. Oh, it's right here. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. This was a nice one. I gotta get rid of these boxes. Come on. They're buggering me up here. So anyway, but we also had another trade up here. If you were brave enough to take it, it was a hook down. Okay, so they buy faked all the people into buying here, and then they took it down and closed below the moving averages and a nice strong bearish candle to the downside. So when it closed right here, you would have sold it, and it went down 40 points. And then it came up again and gave us our higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. There's not one here because it's too far from the 5. And there's not one down here either because it's too far from the 5. But if you would have done any of these 3 sell trades, you would have been doing the right thing today. You know that? A lot of people, they're buying all the way up. They think it's going to go up. Yeah. Didn't work out today. Let's move on now to the S&P. And what did it do? What did it tell us? What did it give us? Oh. There's no divergence here. There's none. There's none here either. Look at that. Hey, what a crappy day. No divergence, eh? Yeah, but here's the buy fake. You know what that means. A buy fake turns into a sell. So, they smacked it back down. This is a hook down. You would have sold it right here on the opening of this nice red candle. The opening and down. Look at that. This next one. Look, look, look. There's 90 points, ladies and gentlemen. That's before the market opened. Before. Because, oh no, it wasn't before. It was 10 minutes after you would have entered this trade. To sell right here. Oh, here's one right here. A higher close and sell it right on the opening of this candle, and down it goes. See, this one was too far from the 5, see? If it was a little blue candle in there, it would be a higher close, sell it, down it goes. So there's the 2 trade setups. It was a hook down and a higher close, sell it, down it goes. That's what I call them. I know it's kind of weird what I call them. Yeah, you have no idea how many times I've seen this scenario where it's in a downtrend and they have a buy fake candle. They have everybody buying in here, and then they just smack it right down. And then I just see it just go down from there. I've seen that like hundreds of times, but I said, can I really trust that every time? And now I do. And now I've shared it with you guys. Gotta love it. There you go. Hook downs, hook ups, and hook downs, and higher close, sell it. Lower close, buy it. Okay, let's look at the Dow now. What did it? Oh, holy shit, look at that, man. Oh, I'm so glad I don't trade that shit. Look at that shit. Look at this. Wick. 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 Ram right up your nose. Wick, 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 wick. Another wick. Wick, wick. Look at all the fucking wicks, man. I ain't putting jack shit on there. I'm not putting no lines or nothing. That's a disaster. That's a war zone. Check it out, man. World War III right here. Holy sheep shit. Pound dollar, what did it do? Oh, yeah, just a trend right up there, eh? Wow. Doggy. Yeah, there was trades. I got to put the trades on right here. Double bottom. Okay. And there's the divergence right there. Could have bought it right in there. And it went up 13 pips, and our stop was only 7.5 pip stop, went up 13 pips. So then we had another trade, okay, right here. We'll say to right there to the same candle, okay, and the divergence was here, like this. That's divergent. One's going up, one's going down. Buy right here. After the, you know, the two moving averages had a little kissy smoochy together, right? Once they finished their kissing, then you could have got in the trade. Right there, long. Here we go. Went up exactly to 127.50. Okay, because that blue line right there is 127.50. And the green neon line down here is 127. Okay? So that's 50 pips from there to there. Then I have my R1 and my R2. Yeah, and my main pivot of the day. Oh yeah, it's just so beautiful, these levels. They really are. I don't have on here. Oh yeah, I do. Anyway, that's all the price action levels I need right there. Okay, so let's look at the euro now. Euro USD, what did it do? Oh, look, same trades. Same trades. Look at this. Look at this. Double bottom right there. And right there. Boom. Look how easy that is, eh? That's so easy compared to those complicated systems out there that make you watch 50 videos or some freaking shit. Yeah, 50 videos is just to confuse you. You don't need to watch 50 videos. Just watch a few videos on here and you'll get it. You'll catch on. Well, the divergence is a learning curve. But my other setups, it's easy to catch on. What am I looking for here? I'm looking for an arrow up. I see more and more courses coming out, you know. They have a whole bunch of videos, a whole playlist, a whole video series, yeah, to learn their stuff. And I go look at most of it, and it's just so complex. It's like, come on. Make it simple, man. Keep it simple. KISS, man. Keep it simple, stupid. That's what they used to say. But the more simple your trading system is, I bet you the more chance you have to succeed. That's the way I see it anyway. That's why I've always read it. I'm not one. I'm not the smartest person in the world, and I definitely ain't the dumbest, but I tell you, there's some things they just go through one ear and they smoke right out the fucking other ear. And yeah, I've always liked to keep it simple. And yeah, I've lost for years and years, but I kept going. And now it's good. It's good. Well, what do you want, eh? Been doing it 23 years almost, eh? That's how long it takes you. Just like I've said before, where you could go and play some card game and you'll win real easily, like 21. And you come and try and trade and you lose and lose and lose. Oh, it's crazy. Crazy world. Crazy how we think and do whatever. Oh, look at that. There's a beautiful trade right now on, I think it's oil. Come down here. Yes, it's oil. Oh, I missed the trade. Shit. I'll be coming there. I'll show it to you. I already done my trade there for today anyway. I'll show you that too. Okay. So euro. So you buy there. You definitely hit your target. And then it did you know. No, you don't know until I tell you. Right here. Yeah. This one's going up. This one's going down. They were kissing in here too on the euro. And yeah, so you would have got in there, right there. And your stop was so small, like 5.5 pips, and it never went back there. It came close, but it never came back. And it went up like 48 pips, man. And what do we have along the way, ladies and gentlemen? What do we have along the way? We have lower close, buy it, up it goes. That's what we had. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Yeah. And that's about it. Well, there's divergence up here too. Yeah, there is. It's totally going against this whole main trend here, though. But we'll put it in there. High and a higher high, counter trend trade. Oh, look. That needs to come down more over here. Right there. Look at that, eh? You would have sold somewhere in here just below these wicks of support. Would have sold it. Somewhere sell it right there. Stop would have been about 17 pips. Did it give us our 17 pips? Oh, I got 16.9. 0.1 of a pip. We missed the target. and that's really what it is too. Like before, when the spreads were 2 points, you totally would have missed it. But now we have like 0 spreads on the euro. See that? 0, no spread. But they still charge you commission. They're such a ripoff, I tell you. Back in the day, Forex, their fucking spreads. They don't just charge you once; they charge you twice, and then the commissions on top of it. It was just like, oh my god, grow up or something. I don't know. They need to grow up. Like, don't you agree that if there's a spread, there shouldn't be any commissions? If there's commissions, there shouldn't be any spread. You know what I'm saying? It was just a big scam to suck up your money. And you know what another thing was a big scam in Forex? Is if you stayed in a trade past 5 o'clock, they would charge you swap. And I've talked to a real broker, like, who's also a trader. He told me, man, on Skype, this was like 10, when was that? What year was that? It's probably 10, 12 years ago, maybe 14 years ago. He told me, he said, the swap, he says, it's a big scam. They just keep the money. Because most of these brokers were trading against you anyway. They still are. They still are trading against you. Okay? They are on the other side of your trade. The Forex broker. Not the real market. You know, and like the same kind of thing is happening right now with futures, with the prop firms. Those trades you're doing on these prop firms, they're not going into the real futures market. And they're playing little games and they're slipping you and they're doing this and they're doing that. They're doing all the same shit that they do in Forex. But a lot of people think, oh, you know, it's safer and better in futures. Well, it only is if you're trading through a broker, a real broker, a futures broker. You know what I'm saying? Not a simulation from a prop firm. That's not, your orders are not in the real market. You're on a demo. What I used to always call a demo, it's called simulation now. Simulator. You're on a simulator. Your orders aren't in the real market. If they pay you any money from a payout, it's from other losing traders. That's where that comes from. That's it. That's all. Oh, we'll see if they totally block me now on on YouTube, because lately I hardly get any likes or whatever. I don't think they like what I'm saying, because it's the truth is what I'm saying. So anyway, that's enough babble about that. Just wanted to let you know that that's what's really going on with these prop firms. You're not trading on a real account, and your orders are not going into the real futures market. They're just not. Sorry to say. You're learning the reality here. Pound yen. Whoa, did pound yen freaking drop, eh? How much did it go down? 157 pips. Wow, 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 wow. Is there a trade from up here to up here? Yeah, there is. There is. Let me just put it on the 15, make it easier. No, it needs to be on the 5. So right from here, all the way up here like that. And right from here, all the way down like that. And, you know, it was just going sideways, locking in the longs up here. And then they started taking it down, as you can see. Oh, I gotta take a little breath from talking. I'm out of breath. I'm so sorry. Okay, so we would have sold there. Down I went 77 to there, and down 140 to there. We have one nice trade after the fact if you missed the entry up here. Let me show you. Higher close, right on the 5, sell it, down it goes. Let's look at the EJ now, Euro Yen, same thing, same trade, see, same algorithm. Right up here, right up here. See that? Right up like that. And that down like that. And you would have got short in here. Why would have we waited so long to get into the trade? Because the two moving averages were kissing each other and it was going sideways. It was doing nothing, jack shit. Anyway, would have got short here. Stop would have been only like 22 pips on the Euro Yen, and it went down 140 pips to the bottom. Did it have any higher close? It's just natural to sell. Oh my God. That was a record skipping there. Sell. See, I'm programming your mind. Sell now. Oh my God. Okay, so right here is closest one we're gonna get. So right here, higher close, sell it, down it goes. Woo, right down there. That was beautiful. Okay, let's look at gold. We're almost done, ladies and gents. Oh, gold's taking a flip now. It's doing a dive in the deep end. Sorry, I get tired after talking for like 20 minutes. There's no trade here. There's no divergence here to buy it in here. Isn't that crazy, huh? Did I ever tell you gold is not divergent friendly? Yeah, well, if I didn't, now I told you. So the only thing we could have done on the way up was this. To lower close, buy it, up it goes. Lower close. Right here. Buy it, up it goes. Is there divergent up here? Divergence, I mean, not divergent. Yes, there is. Basically a triple top. And right from this high down here like that. And you would have got in about 10 minutes ago. Down it goes. Did I tell you I'm not a financial advisor? Okay, that's a total counter trend trade though, eh, ladies and gentlemen? Just so you know, they can be dangerous. Now, if gold goes all the way back down here to the pivot, with that FOMC news coming our way, that's going to be a wild day for gold. Didn't it do that just the other day? Where was that? There it is. Look at that. Look at that, man. Look at that. How do you trade that? See what I mean? Okay. Last instrument of the day, oil. Oh, look at that. It shot right back up again. You bastards. I have it on the 15-minute because there was no divergence here. Well, there was, but it was very hard to see, like right here and right here on these few candles. But yeah. Me, I did this twice today. So I was selling somewhere. It was like right here and another one here. And I had like good points right here. And then they shot the fucking thing back up. And the fear set in. Oh no, they're going to take it up. They're going to take it up. Oh no. So I got out one trade with a little profit, another one break even. And then I'm still looking at it. I'm going, holy crap, really? Is that what they're going to do? And I changed it to the 15-minute. Let me make it bigger. And I went, oh, look. They brought it up almost to the pivot and sold it down. So I sold again right here at $77. And I hit my amount that I wanted to do. It broke through here somewhere between this wick and 76.50, which is this blue line. I took my profit. And that was it. And I'm so glad I did. Because look what happened again after that. Look at this. Look at this crap. All the way back up again, eh? Holy sheep shit. But I'll show you the trade that I just saw. And I was saying, oh, there's a trade. I missed it. It's okay. I already did my trade for today. So we have a low and a lower low right there. Right there. So where would have I got in this trade that was shooting up like a rocket? Well, I have two places. I can go in on mid-flight. Oh, yeah, it's going to do that. So somewhere, get in here on mid-flight, you know, or wait for a pullback. And this would have been the pullback right here. This is the 5-minute now we're looking at. And it would have went back up to $77 here. I also looked at the whole thing here on the hour, and I said, oh, look. The reason why I was selling in here, okay, wherever I was selling, it's in here somewhere, is because I looked and I go, oh, look at this. They took it to this high, $79.42 per barrel, and they rammed it up quick. Then it rolled over like a dog. Then it rolled over like a dog again and took a new low. And then they rammed it up here to take all stops of people who are selling in here. They took it up there. And then look. It was over here. I was going to do the trade. And I could see it was rolling over, making lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? So I took a chance and, well, I sold when it was going up kind of thing, but the overall trend bias, like I don't really like to follow, but it was rolling down. So I was thinking they were going to take the price at least down to there, but I don't think they did. Oh, look, they almost did. See? Like what they did. See, they bought off the low here and took it back up. But I was saying, when I was in my trade here, I was saying, oh, it's probably going to go down as $76 or even $75 a barrel. And why is it going to go back down there? Because they just brought it up here to $79.42. That's why. Because they sucker people into buying and getting long, like the swing traders or end-of-day traders, you know? So up here, they're all long, thinking, oh, yeah, we're going to go to 100 and then 100, 150, you know, that's what people, they dream about this. And most of the time, sorry to say, your dreams will be broken. That's why you got to follow what's going on in the near term right here, right now. And I said that I don't know how many weeks ago. Anyway, so that's what happened there. And that's why I went up on the hourly and looked at it. But anyway, so here was the trade. I'm babbling on too much, I'm sorry. Right there. Didn't I already put that line on there? Didn't I? Yeah, see? 76 is right here. I thought it was going to go to 76, but it missed it by, this little bit. And then down to 75. But don't be surprised with FOMC coming. Maybe we'll hit 70, 76, 75, something like that. Look at that. Still moving nicely. It's 11:15. Okay. So that's it. That's the last instrument. As I told you, oil's much easier to trade than the NASDAQ or even the S&P, and especially the Dow. Wow, look at the Dow, what it did today. So try and trade safe. If you're getting knocked out of your trades and, whatever, check out oil, man. It moves so much less rapidly. See, look at it right here. Look at it. Look. See? It's just moving a little bit. A little bit. It gives you a time. It'll stop and give you the opportunity to take your profit. When you're on the NASDAQ, it's always going up and down, 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 like a fucking yo-yo. And it won't let you take your profit. I'm telling you, trade oil. It'll be a wonderful thing. But I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to do whatever. I'm just telling you, I trade oil now. I win every day. Try and trade NASDAQ? Oh, that's like a headache waiting to happen. Anyway, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. And if you could be so kind to hit the like button, it would be good. If you're going to trade this afternoon with FOMC, be careful, trade safe. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.